Look like it's trying to go into an uptrend. This was a 5 minute supply I had drawn. And then basically I seen a play work out. It came up to that 5 minute supply. And it gave us a 1-to-1 around this area. But we didn't take that trade though. We were just marking it up. That would have been our trade, but look how early it is. 8:52, 8:53. We could have took it, but that's not. We could have took it and won. That's not a part of our system, so we ain't tripping. And right now, it look like it's want to go into an uptrend on the 5 minute. The 1 minute, it's already kind of making its way up. So we're just trying to see how it's gonna be on this 5 minute. It look like it's dang near trying to turn this into support. Because if we go like this to our demand level on the 5 minute, it's already been tapped into it, It already went up, came back, But look like since, that's the 5 minute. Oh yeah. Look like since it's a close and all above this 200 moving average, we might be looking for buys. We are looking for buys at this moment because it's above. It's like playing around on the 1 minute, but it's above. Playing around on the 5 minute. She's playing around the 200 moving average on the 5 minute. That's why I got this line right here. It's playing around. But on the 1 minute, we above. And then you can see the structure. Higher high. Higher high, lower high, higher high. Higher high. Lower high, higher high, lower high. It look like it's trying to break structure a little bit right here, but look like we're gonna be catching us some buys. Look like we're gonna be catching a buy. Let's see now. Let's see. Hold up. Oh no. Yeah, or something like that. Hey, no, we don't play around with that. So, in this situation, it just switched our whole buyers. We looking for sales. Just like that. But yeah, off that, we looking for sales real quick. We below the 200. And we got our area. Real quick. Real quick. Real quick. This is interesting. Dang, that's an entry. Just because it broke our line so strong like that. That's an entry. And it's coming off that key area. Wish I would have got in somewhere up in here, but it's an entry off the key area. Oh, we don't like that. We don't like that rejection right there. So we get took out at break even. That's what it is. We getting out. We ain't like that rejection. We ain't like that rejection. We ain't like that rejection. Dang. Yeah, we ain't like that rejection. See? We didn't get our 1-to-1, so. Yeah, that rejection was too crazy. We can see if it would have played out, but that rejection was too crazy. Let me see. It's our first time, you know what I'm saying? It probably play out. Oh yeah, we got in right there. But we gonna make sure of this. We got in right there. Dang, it probably play out too. Yeah, I should have let it play out. Dang, I'm looking at the numbers too much and not the process. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking at the numbers and I ain't following the process. It ain't gonna happen too much like this. We gonna do what we gotta do. I was just looking at the numbers and not the process. Cause we was right there by take profit. Let's take profit right there. Let's take profit. Now, I would have feel better if I would have got out at least down here after it did what it did right there. But that was on me. I know what I did. I ain't focused on the process. I was looking at the numbers. We're gonna wait for another setup. See how long this candle gonna be. See, this might be an entry. See. Ooh. God, dog, that must sold out too strong. We can get a pullback. Come on. That must sold out too strong. It sold out too strong. That's way too strong. We is not getting in on that. Heck no. Heck no, we not getting in on that. We're gonna see if it will play out. Heck no. Let's move this out the way. See what I'm saying? I already got in on that. Wow. Stop loss hit. Yeah, we don't play with that at all. Eee. See, this that entry right here. Through our trend line. It's an entry. Because this was so strong through our trend line. Focus on the process. Focus on the process. We're going to put it to break even, but we're going to focus on the process. Can it make it? You right there. You right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Man. Just following price action, bro. Just following the price action, man. Just following it, man. Just following it, man. That's all we did. We just followed the price action. That's all we did. That's what I'm talking about, man. Dang, that's my strategy. Look, before 10 o'clock, man. 10 o'clock is really supposed to be our time to trade, but, you know, it's giving us what we're looking for within our, 9:45 is when I really can start trading. And, it ain't there, but it gave us what we was looking for. This is what we look for. This is exactly what we look for. It gave us our setup. It gave us our setup right there, too. It came close to the take profit, but I was shaky right there, like, because I was looking at the numbers and not focused on the process. And I don't even know if it would have took us out at the right, because I think it came, like, right there. But I'm not sure if it had hit it or not. I'll have to go back and see. But that's what it was. Like, dang, you see? We just followed price action. That's all we did. See, at first, we had that 5-minute supply right here. This candle right here, 5-minute supply. That's what we had. And we had a 200 moving average right there. We go to the 1 minute. You see it came up to our 5-minute supply area. And that's why it gave us a entry right here. How strong this candle is, that's an entry. It's kind of a little bit too strong. Like, I wish I would have got in somewhere up in here, seeing that it ain't going to zip back up in 30 seconds, which it could, but we waited, So I got in right here, and I got out somewhere up in here. Take profit was down here, and I was looking at the numbers too much, because of the money I'm risking, 150. I was looking at the number and not focused on the process. So, but then when I was down here, I would have put it to break even anyway. So I believe it would have came out and took me out at break even anyway. So, that just played out, how it played out. Almost, And then I also, after it started, chilling up in this 5-minute supply area, I drew up this 1-minute supply right here. And once, it was doing all that, I had deleted this 5-minute supply area because, it's all up in it. All we got is this 1-minute supply that it's playing off of. And so the reason we got our trend lines up over here, because look how wide it's going. You know what I'm saying? If I put my trend line like this, you see how wide it is? Like, it's way too wide for me to react off this level. And then it started hitting right here anyway. So that's why I got these so close. So just in case it give me a reaction off this level, I'm right here. I'm ready for the move to happen. So, it bounced up there. You know what I'm saying? We had our trend line drawn right here. It didn't break right here. This first break, I'll be having it stretch like this because it's something about these candles when they be making long stretches like this one. It's kind of long, but it ain't super long. You know what I'm saying? But since we right here at the 200 moving average, it's hard for it to stay above it. It keep trying to go below. It already done reacted up here off this 1 minute supply. It just made this full move and didn't want to keep going. Started trickling back down. That's what made me enter this right here off this first break. But even if I would have waited to the second break, it still would have been a dub. Hold on. Yeah, see, it's dropping. Oh, no. Yeah, no, we did the right thing. Oh, I'm tripping. This was the first break. This was the second break. Yeah. So it's almost dang near the same entry from where I got in at to right here. So it still would have been a dub. But we just read the candles, man. We just follow it. Just follow it. See what it's doing. And man, we was able to get that dub. 195 for the day. 195 for the day. That's what I'm talking about. So we just gonna try to add some more money in this account. We just try to get this account up as much as we can. That's all I'm focused on. You know, losses may happen or whatever like that, but I ain't tripping. I'm gonna be trading to grow my account and add money up in it to grow my account. But that's all we focused on is getting this account up. Because the more I got in this account, the more money I can make on each trade. I ain't worried about what I lose on each trade. I ain't worried about that. I'm worried about how much I can make on each trade. Because that's what's going to give me away from my, give me away. But yeah, man, that's the trade for the day. I'm glad my first two trades back after a couple of days is a dub. So I feel like I know I got my strategy. I'm here, and we're gonna just keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it, keep doing what we gotta do, and get what we gotta get. I'm out.